आपकी लीडरशिप में क्या आपको मोटिवेट करता है?
I think motivation is very clear. Initially when we started, I'll be very very honest, we wanted to build a brand for the state. पंजाब का एक brand लाना था. Then we wanted to build a brand for North India. और acceptance आने लगी. Then we wanted to build a brand for India. Now we feel our ambition is to build a brand for the world.
आप देसी एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप को कैसे इंक्यूबेट करने के लिए मोटिवेट करोगे?
Ecosystem is developing so fast where if you have an idea and if you feel that you want to pursue it, तो ये incubation center के अंदर जाओ, आप उसके अंदर just speak to people who wish well for you, जो सिर्फ आपको अच्छी बात नहीं बोलेंगे, सच बोलेंगे. And then if you see there is real product market fit, there is logic, there is viability, then sort of take on that journey.
सर क्या MBA काम आती है?
Honestly, yes. Not on just purely theory, but the journey of MBA. MBA का मतलब आपका वो 2 साल of growing together, of exposure, of learning, of living by yourself and making decisions by yourself. सही या गलत?
So what do you prefer, Swiggy or Kriana?
Kriana. Swiggy profitable नहीं हो सकता unless the density of population is very high.
How many bottles of Lahori do you drink?
0.
Why?
कहते हैं ना हलवाई अपनी मिठाई खुद नहीं खाता.
Hello everyone and welcome to LPU Talks, a space that ignites and inspires. Here we bring stories that come from real hustle, real passion and real impact. Today we have a guest who has turned the Indian Desi drink into a youth favorite. The man behind Lahori Jeera, Mr. Saurabh Munjal. It's not about business. It's about his journey, his belief, his thoughts. Please welcome Mr. Saurabh Munjal, the man behind Lahori Jeera. All right, sir, welcome to LPU Talks. It's a really great pleasure to have you here with us. Sir, I would like to know about your experience. First of all, you must have met our, some students as well.
Yes.
कैसा लगा आपको यहाँ के?
No, I think it's a fabulous experience. It's the first time that I've actually come to the campus. I didn't realize it was this large.
No, right.
This is such a pleasant surprise.
Right.
So many students under one place. I think it's probably running like a city of its own, where they've built the entire ecosystem really well. So really happy with the entire campus, the infrastructure they've created, and also the energy of the students. This is quite mesmerizing.
Thank you so much, sir. It's encouraging for us as well, coming from your side. Let's start, sir, about you. Like how this Lahori Jeera, this brand has come to your mind. कैसे ये journey कैसे start हुई आपकी? Or especially when you talk about Lahori, how this word you have chosen?
So I think it's back in 2016. So me and my cousins, we wanted to sort of build something of our own, and we were working. We were actually meeting quite often to figure this out as to what it is that we can sort of do and build and grow. That's when the idea came, because one of my cousins sort of made this. He went to the kitchen, dashed a few things together, and he created this formulation which we thought was very nice. And that's when the Eureka moment really happened. कि हम इधर उधर जा रहे हैं, why not actually make this commercial?
Yeah.
And that's when the idea came into being, and that's when we started putting the energy behind it to figure out as to if this can become something real or not. So that's how the idea came. Just a random conversation on a random day.
Yeah.
A product randomly made just became into something large.
But this is my opinion. Like when you build some kind of this ideation, जब कभी आप किसी के सामने discuss करते, a lot of people give you, a negative sentiments also.
Of course.
So when you have thought of this thing कि चलो हम यही बनाते हैं, ये एक फॉर्मूला क्रिएट हुआ है, सो लेट्स मेक इट अ कमर्शलाइज्ड, ये ब्रांड लेके आना, तो उस टाइम पे आपकी मोटिवेशन क्या रहेगी? मतलब कैसा बिलीव रहा होगा आपका इस सिस्टम को?
So I think you're absolutely right. Once you sort of throw an idea to somebody's face, and especially that to an idea where you're entering an industry which is dominated by large MNCs.
Yeah, exactly.
And if you honestly ask me, if my son came up to me and told me कि पापा मुझे पैसे चाहिए, I want to build a business against Coke and Pepsi, I would have doubted. I would have doubted myself.
Yeah.
But because we've done so much research, there's a lot of hard work, a lot of framework that we've actually built by doing that research, where there was absolute validation on our thesis, at least on paper, कि this does make sense, and this by all logics will make money, will make sense, will be a viable business at the end of the day. It is only a function of pure execution play, whether we can execute it right. Thought process सही था. idea सही था, because this is not something that is unique to our country. It is happening across the globe, where in multiple countries the share of Coke and Pepsi is not more than the share of the local flavors over there. So India, maybe this had to happen. It is only a matter of time and who does it. So it was pure execution play. On paper, there was enough logics and justification why this would work. तो हम convinced थे कि ये चलेगा. We,
और
in our
कितनी देर
heart
का
of
ये
hearts,
रिसर्च रहा होगा सर? ये
I think we did it for about 10 months.
ओके
10 months of absolute research, pilots, trials, just getting feedback from industry, ecosystem, retailers, distributors, consumers. सबसे बस बात करके सुन के इतना ज़्यादा clear thing in what we wanted to do, that by the time we sort of started, we knew exactly what was coming our way. We just wanted to make sure all we had to do was execute it right.
अब इतने लोग हैं, इतनी टेस्ट है, टेस्ट वर्ड सबके डिफर होते हैं सर, तो आपको कैसे पता चला कि यही बिल्कुल सही जाएगा?
So you're absolutely right. India is actually United States of India. You know, the taste, the operatives mendi, the language, the looks, everything is different. Every 100 kilometers changes. Right?
Exactly.
Something as basic as curry. वो उसका टेस्ट ही इंडिया के अंदर हर जगह जाके डिफरेंट होएगा, राइट? राइट. बट एक कॉमनैलिटी है. कॉमनैलिटी ये है कि आपने गोलगप्पे खाए होंगे,
बिल्कुल.
आपने पुचका खाया होगा,
बिल्कुल.
आपने पानी पूरी खाई होगी.
बिल्कुल.
So no matter where you go, this चटपटा मसालेदार flavor palette is just everywhere. बस नाम अलग है.
Yeah.
But ये common है. Across India, you will find street food which is चटपटा मसालेदार. So that core is common. But you're just calling it something else.
Yeah.
So that was the whole logic कि चटपटा मसालेदार is what we have to stick with. It'll do wonders. So
Now I'm convinced कि आपका बिल्कुल लॉजिक सही था. सर जैसे आपका रूटीन कैसा होता है कि जैसे आपकी लीडरशिप में क्या आपको मोटिवेट करता है?
I think motivation is very clear here. I think initially when we started, I'll be very, very honest, we wanted to build a brand for the state. पंजाब का एक brand लाना था. And then acceptance आने लगी, belief आने लगा. Then we wanted to build a brand for North India. और acceptance आने लगी. Then we wanted to build a brand for India. Now we feel our ambition is to build a brand for the world.
Right.
Indians love food. I think India is one country that does not survive to eat, but does not eat to survive, but survives to eat.
Yeah.
मतलब उनको इतना शौक है खाने का. But very few names you sort of call out जो global brands बन पाए इंडिया से. That's the ambition.
So now
Why can't we make global brands? Why can't global brands come out of India? And then that's something that we want to challenge, and we want to build a global brand from the country.
I am very very proud of you sir. Exactly. I mean मेरा ये question ही आपके से यही था कि आप expansion plans क्या हैं आपके?
So first build it for the country. In the next couple of years, we want to sort of have pan India presence. आप कहीं पे भी इंडिया में जाओगे, you think of a non-alcoholic beverage. मतलब what should come to your mind is कि यार लोहरी जीरा में क्या है, लोहरी के अंदर क्या ऑप्शन है. So that thought process is what we want to do in the next 2 to 3 years. In the next 5 years, what we want to do is have some footprint outside India, but also be the preferred choice of beverage brand in India.
That's very nice. Yeah. सर अगर जैसे आजकल entrepreneurs हैं, कोई भी बच्चा है, उसका भी रफ स्केच है माइंड में, आप देसी एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप को कैसे इंक्यूबेट करने के लिए मोटिवेट करोगे, या किस तरीके से आप उनको अपनी तरफ से एक सजेशन देना चाहेंगे?
I think anybody who has a rough idea or has just has something in their mind which they feel they can convert into something real. I think in that situation the ecosystem is developing really well. क्या होता था पहले, हमारे पेरेंट्स का बिलीफ होता था कि बच्चा इंजीनियर बन जाए या डॉक्टर बन जाए और इसके बाद एक गवर्नमेंट जॉब मिल जाए तो सॉर्ट हो जाएगी लाइफ. फिर वो गवर्नमेंट जॉब प्राइवेट जॉब में कन्वर्ट होगी, बट डॉक्टर इंजीनियर फिर भी रहा. Nobody ever wants their child or wanted their child to be a businessman, because उनको लगता है कि businessman मतलब जिसका कोई नहीं होता वो businessman बन जाता है, right? तो I think वो mainstream acceptance आनी बहुत ज़रूरी थी, एंड आई थिंक वो अब आ रही है और इकोसिस्टम भी डेवलप हो रहा है. तो अब जैसे LPU भी मेरे ख्याल से इंक्यूबेट करता है.
जी, सीड मनी
सो
देते हैं.
टेक्निकली देयर आर सो मेनी ऑफ गवर्नमेंट, प्राइवेट and just colleges, this ecosystem is developing so fast where if you have an idea and if you feel that you want to pursue it, तो ये incubation center के अंदर जाओ आप, उसके अंदर just speak to people who wish well for you, जो सिर्फ आपको अच्छी बात नहीं बोलेंगे, सच बोलेंगे कि they feel in their opinion this makes sense, this doesn't make sense, and after that go to an incubation center, try and incubate your idea, work on it for a year or two, and then if you see there is real product market fit, there is logic, there is viability, then sort of take on that journey. और उस वक्त अगर रियलाइज हो जाता है कि यार नहीं, इट डजंट मेक सेंस, बी प्रैक्टिकल एंड रियल अबाउट इट. क्या होता है, हम ऑब्सेस हो जाते हैं, हमारा बच्चा तो सबसे अच्छा होएगा, ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है.
बिल्कुल.
सो सिमिलरली फाउंडर्स ऑब्सेस हो जाते हैं कि मेरा प्रोडक्ट से अच्छा तो कुछ होता ही नहीं है, हो ही नहीं सकता. सो इट डजंट वर्क लाइक दैट. यू हैव टू बी प्रैक्टिकल अबाउट इट एंड एक्सेप्ट फॉर व्हाट रियलिटी इज.
कंफर्मेशन बायस आ जाती है, सभी कंफर्म करें बिल्कुल सही है.
बस
सर ये मेरा फील है कि जब भी आप कभी कोई नया बिजनेस आइडिया लेके आते हो, टिंच ऑफ फियर, एंग्जाइटी हमेशा होता है.
होनी चाहिए. No matter how well prepared you are for the exam, but while entering that examination hall, even the person who's aced it, 100% marks कुछ होते नहीं है, but अगर होते ना, उसको भी अगर वापस रीराइट करना पड़े ना एग्जाम, there will be that slight hint of doubt, of that fear, of that anxiety, and it's logical. If you don't have, then you're overconfident, then you've crossed the threshold. So technically you should always have that fear. Today आज हम ग्रो कर रहे हैं, बड़ा कर रहे हैं, थॉट प्रोसेस क्लियर है, पेपर पे इट मेक सेंस, बट यू डोंट नो द रियलिटी ऑफ लाइफ. क्या हिट होता है, क्या चेंज होता है. इट्स सो डायनेमिक. बिजनेस एज अ सेटअप इज सो डायनेमिक दैट एवरी डे, एवरी मिनट, एवरी डिसीजन ऑफ योर्स कैन हैव repercussions which you never saw come, and it could be very serious for your business. So therefore it is important to be fearful, to self doubt, but उसमें भी लिमिट्स होते हैं. यू पुट चेक्स एंड बैलेंसेस कि यार डाउट करना कि अपने आप को सेकंड गेस करा, बट इफ यू गेट सम वैलिडेशन देन मूव ऑन एंड देन लिव विद इट एंड देन लर्न फ्रॉम इट. कि यार अगर मैं 10 डिसीजन लेता हूँ ना आज के एक दिन में, तो माई इंटेंट इज टू गेट 6 राइट. एज लॉन्ग एज आई एम गेटिंग 6 राइट एंड 4 रॉन्ग जो मैं आज कर रहा हूँ, बस मैं वो रिपीट ना करूँ, I'm just on the right path.
So you always make a check on it and then you.
So you doubt, you check, and then you make a decision. Once you've made a decision, you stand by it. If it doesn't work, you make sure you don't make that mistake again. If it works, you make sure that you stick with this. जो solve हो चुका है उसको resolve करने की जरूरत नहीं है. ये ऐसे सही चलता है तो इसको उसी रास्ते पे चलाते रहो.
सर आपका एक ऐसा ट्रेड, पर्सनालिटी ट्रेड जो आपको लगता है कि दैट इज द मेजर किक फॉर मी, कि हाँ ये ट्रेड मेरे अंदर है तो तभी मैं आज सक्सेसफुल हूँ, या और एक ऐसा कोई ट्रेड जो आपको लगता है कि नहीं आई हैव टू वर्क ऑन इट?
Quite honestly, a large reason for whatever little success that we've gotten is a lot of luck, to be honest with you. But if I were to highlight, it's very difficult. It sounds not smart to sort of compliment yourself, but I think I do fine with people management. लोगों को मोटिवेट रखना, उनकी गोल्स को अलाइन करना अपने गोल्स के साथ, उनको मोटिवेटेड रखना, एंड टू करेक्ट देयर पाथ whenever they go on a wrong direction. I think that's where my skill really comes in. And as far as skills that I'd like to improve or continue to improve is probably discipline. I'd like to be far more disciplined than I am today. अभी भी मैं बंक मारता हूँ और गलत चीज़ें करता हूँ और कभी लेट होता हूँ, for whatever. So a little more discipline could.
सर क्या MBA काम आती है?
Honestly, yes. Not on just purely theory, but the journey of MBA. MBA का मतलब आपका वो 2 साल of growing together, of exposure, of learning, of living by yourself and making decisions by yourself. सही या गलत, उसके अंदर सब चीज़ें, आप क्या दोस्ती बनाते हो, किन के साथ चिल करते हो, क्या पैशन बिल्ड करते हो, पैशन ढूंढते हो. You discover yourself better while doing your MBA. Besides the theory, मतलब theory important है, but वो एक certain percentage है. किसी के लिए 20 है, किसी के लिए 50, किसी के लिए 80 है. But it is not the entire thing. But the journey of doing that MBA is very, very important and is rewarding. Everybody should pursue education, higher education, in order to get that overall exposure, not just the theory. नॉलेज तो एक तरीके से मिल जाती है बट एक्सपोजर नहीं मिलता.
बिल्कुल सही कहा सर. एंड आई थिंक कि एक्सपोजर से एक जो स्किल गेन होता है वो थ्योरेटिकली कभी भी नहीं हो पाएगा. सर विल डू अ फास्ट क्विक फायर चैट विथ यू. हाउ मेनी बॉटल्स ऑफ लाहौरी डू यू ड्रिंक इन
Zero.
वीक? व्हाई?
कहते हैं ना हलवाई अपनी मिठाई खुद नहीं खाता. सो ऑनेस्टली व्हेन यू सी सो मच ऑफ इट दिल ही नहीं करता. मतलब जब क्या है आई थिंक आप एक चीज़ बहुत ज़्यादा देख लो ना आप बस हो जाती है.
सैचुरेशन आ जाता है कि नहीं नहीं अब नहीं.
बस पीने का दिल नहीं करता.
ओके ओके. सर लाहौरी जीरा वर्सेस कोका कोला वर्सेस पेप्सी. If you have to sell
100% Lahori Zira. I'll tell you, it's the only formulation in the carbonated space which is actually giving you anything besides sugar. Just think about it. Coke में क्या होता है? Sugar.
Sugar.
Pepsi में क्या sugar? Lahori Zira में sugar. But there is natural condiments. Saunt, ginger powder, जीरा, cumin, काला मिर्च, काली नमक. ये सब चीज़ें are natural ingredients that actually help you survive, operate, cleanse, and they have a lot of good values. तो वो electrolytes जो कोई और प्रोडक्ट नहीं दे रहा, ये electrolytes और sugar का combination है, so it's a far better formulation. It solves for your needs far better than any other.
very nice sir. I think that ये बहुत important aspect है जो everybody should know about it. This question has been asked to you many times, but I will ask you again. Maybe you have changed your mind. Your perfect brand ambassador for Lahori Jeera.
I've actually changed my mind. I've always said Diljit Dosanjh.
Yeah.
But honestly, now I feel differently because I've attended so many of these sessions with students. I feel young folks today are far more influenced by real conversations rather than a celebrity standing on two bikes and saying ये सबसे cool drink है.
Yeah,
They
Mountain Dew guys.
So I'm not going to call out a name per se, but all I'm saying is I feel younger folks, they appreciate reality
Yeah.
and truth far more than a celebrity endorsing your product.
Yeah.
I think they would appreciate if I would just improve my product far better, improve the packaging better, improve the communication better, rather than giving that money to a brand ambassador and then asking him to endorse it. So, and a true, a genuine endorsement by the founder would be far more appealing
Yeah,
rather than
reaching
a
to the
celebrity
masses, yeah.
sort of doing that.
वो लगता भी है कि PR है.
So इसलिए I've changed my answer now. I would rather not have a brand ambassador.
All right sir. So what do you prefer, Swiggy or Kriana?
Kiryana.
Kriana stores.
Swiggy. So thing is, Swiggy solves. Swiggy is comfortable, is convenient, but Swiggy can't be in all of India.
Yeah.
उसकी problem, उसकी bandwidth ये है कि वो profitable नहीं हो सकता unless the density of population is very high. छोटे गांव के अंदर अगर मुझे स्विगी कैसे करना है, कैसे पॉसिबल ही नहीं है ना, वहाँ पर वो पैसे नहीं कमाएगा तो कभी आएगा नहीं, तो क्या उनको मैं सामान नहीं दूँ? सो इट इज़ अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ टू, बोथ आर इम्पॉर्टेंट. ना इसके बिना चलता ना इसके बिना चलता.
So both are important.
Both are
right,
important.
right. Sir, India's next FMCG superstar brand.
Lahori Zira.
Lahori Jeera. Okay. And since you're talking about you're going for a global, तो क्या आपका जो endorsement होगा वो देसी तरीके से ही आप
100%.
endorsement
I
करोगे?
think the ethos of the brand cannot change. मतलब I can't be a different person when I'm in a certain crowd, right? Eventually the brand needs to communicate. So basically consistency is something that I sort of use as a word a lot, because I feel consistency is what a brand is. Branding is all about being consistent. So we have to be consistent in the ethos of the brand that we build, in what we communicate. So we are a desi beverage brand in modern packaging, and I think that is what we'll continue with whenever we sort of go out west or outside India and try and sort of communicate the same way with some nuances of that local area, local region, but try and sort of get them a feel of what India is all about.
That's very nice, sir. One last question to you, sir. Your last message, or your message to whoever is listening to this conversation, regarding, the Gen Z these days are losing their focus, and sometimes they are, perplexed कि ये करना है या वो करना है. From you, sir, what will be the message to the entrepreneurs looking for some, a guidance, a motivation?
I think I can't blame them. If I were them in this day and age, मैं भी बहुत distracted होता. It's confusing, it's difficult. Imagine a child who's reading on everyday basis that 95% marks is not enough. A child constantly being put under pressure to look a certain way, to be a certain way, to be in a certain crowd. A child that gets a lot of insecurities because of social media.
Yeah,
A
absolutely.
child whose parents or the entire ecosystem when it comes to people around that child are all busy running, chasing something.
Yeah.
उसके लिए बहुत मुश्किल है.
And even
It
just the concentration also.
It is only fair to be distracted, and things are difficult and tough for them. I think the only thing that I'd like to say to them on the bright side is the most beautiful time to be a part of this country, to be a part of this generation where the next decade or two, India is going to rise, India is going to expand, India is going to grow. And because we are a very young country, we're the only large economy of the world that is the fastest growing economy of the world, and it will continue to be so at least for the next decade or so. So ये 10-15 साल 20 साल इंडिया opportunity बहुत है. Whether you can grab it or not is completely up to you. But that opportunity is right there. You don't need to go anywhere. There is enough money, there's infrastructure, there's policy making, there's everything here that you require to build something. Whether you want to or you don't want to is a decision that you have to take. So opportunity hai. So I think that is the bright side. It's difficult, it's tough, it's distracting. That's something that you need to fight.
Yeah, and that we need to control also. Thank you so much, sir. It's nice talking to you and a crisp conversation with sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.